Meaning of forgo.
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 Forgo. Forgo is a verb that means to give up or do without something. It implies a deliberate choice to relinquish a particular thing or opportunity. The result of foregoing something can be either positive or negative, depending on the situation and context. For example, if someone chooses to forego dessert after a large meal, they might feel healthier and more satisfied with their decision. On the other hand, if someone forgoes an important opportunity, they may miss out on potential benefits or regret their decision later.